we are looking at how to pronounce these two words. The top one here is the verb. The bottom one is the noun. For more English pronunciations, stay tuned to the channel. So the top word here, as we said, is the verb. Define, de, a short de sound. Fine, 2 syllables, with a stress on the second one. Define. The bottom word is the noun, the corresponding noun. Definition, definition. Definition. Overall, let's recap. Define and definition. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.